Hello, welcome to this ancient coin. Today we are going to clean a Marc Antony Legionary Denarius. This is a fairly popular and sought after coin by collectors due to its historical significance. Following the breakup of the Second Triumvirate, Marc Antony went to war with Octavian, who would later become Augustus. In order to pay his troops, Marc Antony began minting his own coins away from Rome, somewhere in the eastern Mediterranean. This is the story of one of those coins. It is estimated that as many as 35 million legionary denarii were struck, each by hand of course, between 32 and 31 BCE. While the detail on this particular example is not great, as we will see in short order, there is just enough for us to learn a bit more about this particular coin. Before we start cleaning, I will note that due to its popularity, this is one of the most forged Roman coins out there. Forgery and identifying modern fakes is beyond the scope of our little video, but if you are interested in learning more, I suggest you check out Forum Ancient Coins. You will find a link below to a particularly useful discussion about Marc Antony's Legionary Denarius, the various types, and telltale signs of forgery. There are many things to love about silver coins, but one of my favorites is how easily they clean. I will only be using one tool to clean this denarius, a fiberglass brush. As you can already see, it takes very little effort to dust it off and give it a nice polish. I've included a link below to this particular brush if you're interested in it. And with that, I will let the cleaning speak for itself. Enjoy!
Yeah.